Now we are going to show how to program this one. Commander VFD. Where is the cover? This cover. Basically, what we are going to program is just what is indicated here. Not a lot of things. We know program 1 is the minimum speed. Program 2 is the maximum speed. Program 3 is the acceleration. Program 4 is the deceleration in seconds. Okay, the drive configuration, you can choose how you want to run, from the pad or from where. This is number 5. Number 6 is the full load arms of the motor. Number 7 is the RPM, revolution per minute. Number 8 is the voltage, which is 400 in our case. And number 9 is the rated frequency. It is the frequency, capacity. What is this? Power factor. It's the power factor. Power factor, which is indicated here as cos theta or something like that. From number 10, you are going to access more parameter. If you want to go to level 2, level 3, and all parameters, no problem. But the most important thing is just what is indicated here. So what do? You just press here. Let's go to the first one, which is 1. You just enter. 0 is the minimum frequency. Which one is 0? You exit. Go to the second one. The frequency, the maximum frequency you want it to run is 50 in this case. Exit. Go to the third one. That one is the number of is it the deceleration or the acceleration? The acceleration. In our case, we are setting at 30 seconds. So you press it again once it starts flashing. Okay, you set to your desired seconds, yeah, which in our case is 30 seconds. Okay, it will flash. So press again so that it rests there. Exit. Go to 4. Enter. It is set 10 seconds. In our case, this is the deceleration. We want to set it to 30. So press it again to start flashing so that you can change the program. It's gone very fast. It is 30 seconds. And you proceed it to stop flashing colors. Exit. Go number 5. Number 5 is how you would like to run. Suppose we want to run from the pad, from the locally, from the selector switch is the remote. If you want to run locally, you just enter. Then you go to the pad. Oh, wait. No. Exit. Oh, exit. Number 5. We're in number 5, yeah? Enter. Once it starts flashing, that's the time you can choose what you want. In this case, we want to go to the pad. You enter. Now in this case, you can run from here. Exit. You can run from here. But it has to have it has to be ready. It has to be ready. Then you can run from here and you can stop from here. Now when you run from here, you have to increase the frequency In this case, up to 50. You can stop from here. You see it is going down. Zero, it has stopped. Then you can run again from here. Then you can stop from here. But in our case, we don't want to run from the pad. We want to run remotely. So you will go to 5, enter, enter again. Oh, what is this? Okay, you go to 5,
6, no.
enter. When it starts flashing, then you can change it. You go back to
8.
You go to, this is the voltage, enter, and it's a stop flashing color, it is set, yeah? So, we continue with our, where we left,
6.
we go to 6. 6 is the ampere rating of the motor. In our case, we don't have the motor here. We are not going to do anything until we go to site where we have the motor. We cannot do anything. Exit, go to 7, enter. This is the RPM. We don't have the motor with us, so we cannot do anything. Exit, 8, enter. This is the voltage. In our case, this is the 400 3-phase. It's 400 volts in UAE, so there's no problem. Go to number 9, enter. This is the what is this? I'm forgetting each and every. This is the power factor. The power factor, we don't have the motor with us, so we don't know what is the power factor of the motor, but there's no problem. So that marks the end of our programming.